Salama everyone, and welcome to our next lesson. Today we're gonna just go through the Malagasy alphabet and how they are pronounced. In Malagasy you don't have the letter C, Q, U, W and X, which makes it even easier to read Malagasy. So for A we have A, as in Tanana, hands, A. B is B, makes a B sound, the same as in English. So you could have the word book for a book. D for D, D, Dada, father. Then we have E for E. So starting from the beginning, A, B, D, E. We could have L for umbrella. And then we have F. So the sound that F makes is a F, the same as in English. Fanaka, furniture. Then we have G for G. So instead of G, it's a G, makes a G sound. Gaga, surprised. And H is an interesting one because we would say that we say H or Heinz, H. But generally when you speak in Malagasy, H actually goes silent in most cases. It's silent. So you could have a word that has an H in it, but you'll never hear a H sound. So like, but in words like Hazo, that's a tree. But then if you say Mavo, there's an H in there where it means you got something or you understand something. Hazo, there's an H in there, M-A-H-A-Z-O. Then you don't hear the H, so it depends on the word. But Hazo, Hazo kill, Hazo tree, Hazo kill is a stick, then you can hear that H. I is E instead, it makes an E sound, so Biby. For animal, it makes E sound. J is Z, makes a Z sound. Zero is light, Z, Z for J. K makes the same sound as in English, makes a K sound, as in Kidoro, which is mattress, for example. L, same sound, L, Lolo, which is butterfly, or Lela, which is tongue. M makes a M, same sound as in English, Mavo, which is the color which is yellow. Neny for N, Neny, mother or mum. O is U. So you do not pronounce O as O unless it has a circumflex or a hat. It's wearing a hat and you say, you read it as O. Otherwise, it's always a U. So, for example, you say Lolo as in butterfly. P is P. You make the P sound, the same as in English. Papay is papaya. R, it makes a R sound, not a R, just a R, sort of softer, putting your tongue behind your palate here, behind your teeth. R. Rano, water, R, Rano. S for S, Sofina, your ear, Sofina. T is T. T makes the same sound, T, Tanana, or Tanana would be a village, starts with a T. Far for V, it makes same sound as English, V, far. And Y makes the same sound as an I, it makes an E sound. So we don't have words that start with Y. Y is normally at the end of a word, and it's pronounced very softly. So Mafy would be heard, and you can hear the E at the end, but not so strong. Mafy. We don't say Mafy. The stress is on the syllable, second to last syllable. So it's, since it only has two, it will be on Mafy. And for Z, it's a Z sound, the same as in English. Zaza, a child. And one thing to remember in Malagasy, when you read Malagasy, which we will cover this in another lesson, at the end of a word, I is not pronounced so strongly, it's sort of softly. Say like Tanan, so you can hear A at the end there, but not strongly as in A, Tanan, or Tanan, which also has an A at the end, but very softly. You don't really hear it. So if we were to read the alphabet and what the sounds that each letter in the alphabet makes in Malagasy, it will sound like this. A, B, D, E, F, G, H, I, Z, K, L, M, N, U, P, R, S, T, V, I, Z. Have fun!